Hey LKIDS, my name is Mark, and welcome back to our Bible story. We are here in our production space again, where we always want a clear picture. Cameras need to be focused just right. If the lens is even off a little bit, everything becomes blurry. That's a lot like life. When our focus is on the wrong thing, especially ourselves, we stop seeing God clearly. Today's big idea is this: pride makes life blurry. Humility brings things back into focus. And the story we're about to look at shows exactly that. Just like a lens controls the focus on a camera, what we choose to focus on controls the direction of our life. See, if the focus goes to the wrong place, we lose sight of the truth. Now let's look at the story of a king who forgot that. His name was King Nebuchadnezzar. He was the most powerful king in the world at the time. His kingdom was huge. His palace was massive. His armies were strong. Everywhere he looked, he saw success. And he loved it a little bit too much. See, instead of giving God credit for everything he had, Nebuchadnezzar believed he did it all himself. He looked over his kingdom and said, "Look at what I built. Look at how great I am." You see, he let pride take over his heart. And God tried to warn him, slow down. Remember who gave you this power. But Nebuchadnezzar would not listen. He was out of focus. So God allowed him to lose everything for a time. He lost his crown, he lost his strength, he even lost his mind. The king who once ruled now lived outside like an animal, eating grass, sleeping on the ground, completely humbled. But God did this for a reason. He wanted Nebuchadnezzar to look up instead of looking in the mirror. After a while, this is exactly what the king did. He lifted his eyes toward heaven and he praised God. In that moment, his mind became clear again. His strength returned, his kingdom was restored. Nebuchadnezzar finally learned the truth, that God is the King of Kings, and everything we have comes from him, not from us. See kids, pride makes life blurry, but when we humble ourselves and focus on God, everything becomes into clear view again. Thanks for joining me for the story. Remember this week to look up, keep God in focus, and let him lead your life. See you next time. Bye, LKIDS.